So I accidentally stopped the last recording, but I'll get to you guys when I get to the next flavor. Okay, so the lemon and the cherry fell off.
Off work, 15 on vacation. Anyhow.
The lemon tastes like sour lemon. Finally on vacation. Green apple, which I'm excited for.
I'm going to start my vacation back here.
I love how all the pieces just separated from each other.
Yummy. Why are you looking at me?
Hey.
Oh, don't. No. No. I'll backhand you. You were. You did not just bite down. He is biting down on his ice cream. I suck at eating. If eating was a sport, I wouldn't be in it probably. They'd have probably kicked me out. I'm a good eater, but my food falls apart. Wait, you want to try some of this?
I'm good, bro. You want to try some of this?
You're sitting in my frame. You're sitting in my... Stop biting ice cream, Alex. Dude, I have sensitive teeth. This hurts me. This hurts me so bad. Stop. No. Stop. Stop it.
It looks like a puzzle piece.
It's like me going. It's like this. I have to grandma my ice cream. I can see you chewing your ice cream.
This is the sin of greed.
No, this is.
Remember, kids, always chew your food before you swallow.
That's like a teacher saying before you jump, you gotta wear a harness. I mean, it's obvious, but that would be like having a harness and like you guys are doing like some sort of test and you're like, okay, so before you go,
Excuse me.
you lift your leg like a dog and then you farted. You farted.
It's the only way to.
Sorry, I needed to fart real quick. Yeah, let me just lift my leg and throw that fart right in the air like a shotgun. Spray that all over. My cat was there, you'd be dropping dead. Jesus.
Dude, I'm surprised we're not dropping dead.
Hey Alex, you want some of this ice cream?
Yeah.
Come on. You can have that piece.
Okay. Can I have the lemon as well? Can I have the rest of the lemon? Why did the lemon just break?
Tastes like a lemon meringue.
Mmm. Lemon. Anyways, I finished my ice cream because I started chewing it.
Yeah, you were biting it. Surprised you didn't eat this stick like a Minecraft. You're gonna throw up. That was the juiciest burp I've ever heard. That was the wettest burp. If you would have burped one more time, I would see barf on my ground as we speak.
No, you wouldn't. It would be on the table.
Not on my lemon. Not on my lemon, Jolly Rancher.
I don't know why that made me laugh so much.
You're crying. No, give him for him. He's crying. Are you a rapper now? Instead of like raps and like or whatever, like trying to be cool, you know those random noises that they used to make? Now they're trying to recreate bird calls. Pigeon.
No, pigeon.
I don't have any. Do I have anything on my face?
No, nothing on your face. You got a little something right there. Oh.
If anyone wants to be single, don't eat that. Too big.
Oh, that's how you know we're single.
Wait, what's that supposed to mean? What's that sup-
Nothing. It's okay.
Don't head pat me. I am not.
That does taste good.
Tastes like lemon meringue, but you don't know because you don't get any.
No, we do know. You're right, it does taste like lemon meringue. I swear it's a piece of ice cream.
Mmm.
4 at once.
Four in one thumb. Don't burp anymore. You're gonna throw up on my table. The gods won't allow you to burp anymore. They're like, bro, you about to throw up. You're gonna throw up. I remember my first time taking my first breath of air. Man, it was tough, isn't it? It's tough, isn't it? Get in the glass. You lift up your glasses. He's crying. Get back in. He's tearing. Can you not breathe?
Imagine when I had asthma.
Maybe we shouldn't Maybe
I
we
inhale too
shouldn't.
much.
Maybe we shouldn't be making fun of people with asthma, because I'm trying to make a family-friendly channel. Now every kid with asthma is just gonna be just sitting there having an asthma attack.
I mean, technically I have asthma, but it's not that bad, so I don't need like an inhaler.
You mean a kid vape? Did you just make a pig snort? And what does the pig say? And what does the cow say? That's right, Billy. Now what does the chicken say? That's correct. Man, this man is smart. Get this man on a pedestal. Are you smarter than a 5th grader? Yes. Are you smarter than a kindergartner?
No.
Just wipe your own snot in your mouth.
Shh, we're on camera.
I'd be surprised if the viewers are still watching.
I mean, this is more than 11 minutes of us just mostly dying of laughter.
Delicioso. Good. When the person at Costco asked me for a sample, Delicioso. You ate my red. I'm never gonna forget that. We're gonna look back at this video when I have like 100 subscribers and be like, oh yeah, that's when you stole my theme from when we got the ice cream truck. I see you found the app that I found you.
What app?
Look at your screen. Look at your screensaver.
No, it's a different app.
Esports logo maker.
No,
What
it's
is
called Game Logo Maker. It's very similar.
Gaming logo esports maker.
Esport. Look. Look, see?
It's the exact same.
But like when I create a logo.
It's the exact same.
But I don't
Except for they're not locked. They're all unlocked. It's called Esports Logo Maker. You can make more stuff than that.
But you have an Android. I don't. I don't think it's. Type it in. Esports Logo Maker, right? Right? I lost it. And now search.
It looks like this. Here, I'll show you once the video's over.
I'm gonna pause the video.
No. So wait a
Okay,
second.
I guess I'm not pausing the video.
I don't know. Guess you don't.
Told ya. Wait, I wonder if I can download something.
Well, Alex ate my bread, so I ran over my own
How do you become perfectly in pitch when you're like?
It's the end of the video, so we're just gonna